Okay guys, today we're gonna make a spring chick. All right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut out a circle from white construction paper. So you're gonna need construction paper. We're gonna cut out a circle. We're gonna cut 2 small circles. We're gonna cut a yellow circle, but we're gonna make it oval. And we're gonna cut out 3 red shapes. One for the head we're gonna put up here, and his hands, which is, we're gonna put here and here. And these are gonna be his eyes, and we're gonna draw everything in, okay? So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna get our circle, and we're gonna fold the circle. We're gonna find the middle, we're gonna fold it in half. We need a pair of scissors, and we're gonna cut some triangles down there. We're not gonna go to the edge and cut, we're gonna cut during the middle. Cut a couple triangles in here. Okay, once I cut my triangles out, this is what we have, our egg. So this is gonna have, the egg is gonna stand up, and our chick is gonna fit right inside here. Put a little glue here. Stick his crown up there. I'm gonna put a little glue here, just a little bit. I'm gonna stick it on the back. Just here like this. And do the same thing to the other side. All right, now we have our egg and we have our chick. We're gonna open this up and we're gonna stick them right in there. And this is what you should have. Okay, now here we have our little chick with our egg. It's a nice little craft for spring. Or if you're doing a little story time, it should be good.